Now, what if it went the other way and it misfired the other way? I'm just saying. What if he didn't get out of the road and it misfired? So instead of actually going, okay, yeah, you say it misfired, but the way they were saying it was going, oh, yeah, it's such a joke. But this is typical people as far as I'm concerned. And we all do it, don't get me wrong. I've done it in the past, but well, now I've started to learn and go, hang on a minute, I'll start looking at perspective and looking at it the other way. So I looked at it straight away. I was about to say, so what if it misfired the other way? What if the thing had come down before he got out? Then what would you be talking about? So think about that. He's putting his, number one, his ego away. He's going to entertain show business. You're in front. You're entertaining people. You're open to criticism, open to applause, 50-50, right? It's a big thing in my book, being in bands and pro wrestling. You don't want to stuff up, especially if you're coming from a place of negativity where everything was criticized. Amongst that, perspective on the opinions of people is amazing. Yes, you could have said, yes, it backfired, have a bit of a chuckle about it. And then they'll go, oh, that could have was part of the show, all this other garbage, right? How about you critically think and look wide and go, what if it misfired the other way? All right, use the word misfire or stuffed up, didn't work, whatever. You walk out and go, remember that. Change perspective on it. And this man who puts his life on the line for all of us, for whatever you reckon, okay, being pro wrestling, Owen Hart passing on up the top of a scaffold and then dropping 80 feet because the thing didn't work. There's perspective for you. So imagine perspective, that thing came down early. I'll leave it at that. I don't think you'll ever unsee what could have happened. And then people go, oh, yeah, it's all rigged anyway. And all this.